Welcome to Module 3. We're going to be talking today about your offer and your funnel. So, the tasks that you need to do and the things that you need to know before we dive deeper into increasing your traffic and your income, okay? So, number 1, we're going to be talking in lesson 1, we're going to be talking about generating ideas, then product validation, pricing your offer, creating your funnel's design, creating the entire funnel, and your sales page design. So this is Module 1, Lesson 1, generating ideas for your product and service. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the blog ascension model and market research and how to generate ideas for your products. So the blog money framework. As an overview, it's a system that starts with low-ticket digital products and helps you build your way up. This system can be broken down into 3 phases: your low-ticket, middle-ticket, and high-ticket offers. Phase 1, within the first phase, we want to create and sell a low-ticket digital product. This allows us to build some trust, to get into the swing of digital products, and to start making some money. So over here, we have building an audience, building trust, building our confidence skills, and starting to make a little bit of money. Phase 2, within the second phase, we will create and sell our middle ticket offer. Within the creation phase, we will still be building our audience and income with our low ticket offer. We can then tack on the middle ticket offer to increase our impact and income. So growing our impact and income, continuing to build and serve our audience, becoming more confident in our selling abilities. And in phase 3, within the third phase, we will start creating our high ticket offer. At this point, we have an audience of buyers that already trust us. We know that people are interested in our product suite topic, and we have the time to create this product because we have income coming in. We also know that we can successfully create and sell digital products and feel confident in doing so. Feeling confident in our sales skills, confidently creating high impact offers. So when we're here and we have, we're selling our high ticket offers, then we're still selling our mid ticket and our low ticket offers. So, even though we're making money here, not passively, so like working one-on-one or whatever, then, we're still making money with our courses in these 2 stages. So we're just tacking on income at each stage. So let's view this in another perspective. The ascension model, we want to create a journey for our clients and customers. We will take them from start to their ultimate result. So we want to take them on a journey that takes them from where they are now to where they want to be. We don't want to create offers that are like all over the place and it doesn't take them on a journey. You want to ensure that they're going to be buying every single product that you have all the way through your product suite. So the first offer is your dire need offer. This is something that somebody really, really needs, like right now. And it isn't that expensive, but it's something that they need right now as a beginner in your niche. Then we have foundation, the foundational work, the middle work, the breakthrough, and the up-leveled. So once they break through, like for my example, they break through, they start making money, but then they have to up-level because, even though they had that breakthrough, they still got to keep going, they got up-level. So you want to create a program suite in a way that serves your client and customer at every stage in their journey. They'll stick with you and purchase all of your products and offers along the way. So beginner, what would a beginner in your niche need? For example, I have a blog design course that teaches them how to get their website up and running. I've changed this actually. So my beginner product actually right now is a strategy call because that's like a quick solution to their problem that they're having right now. It's priced at $97 currently. But that's like something that that's like a dire need. They need that one-on-one coaching. so they can, fix the problems that they have right now and get a quick solution. The next step up is intermediate. So what is the next step after they design their blog? They need to learn all of the middle steps so they can make it successful, you know? So the middle steps would be like growing their traffic. So, I'm going to explain this in a different way, actually. Okay, here we go. So my entry offer is the blog strategy session. This is a dire need. It's a quick fix. The low is blog off the ground. So for somebody starting out, they need to get their blog off the ground, right? They need to get it off. They need to launch. They need to figure out who their audience is. They need to design their website. They need to know how to write their website. They need to get all of these like prep work done. So Blog Off the Ground program does that. The mid-ticket offer that I have is the Blog Growth Lab. So once you get your blog off the ground, we're still getting your blog off the ground here and doing the prep work still, but this is all about more like, growing the funnel and growing your income in 8 weeks in your blog traffic, where this just focuses on that prep work. This focuses on the prep work that you need to grow your traffic and money. The high ticket offer, the blog monetization method, will be my program all about monetizing your blog. So once they have that funnel going, and once they have, their funnel started and they're starting to make some money, then that's where the blog monetization method comes in, where you start hacking on your mid and high ticket offers. And then the anchor is my VIP one-on-one blog coaching and design. So they get website design and coaching for a higher price point. So that's my ultimate program. So another example, entry, you could have an ebook. Mid, you can have a membership. Anchor, a course. There's so many different ways that you can build your program suite, as long as your offers take your ideal client and customer from A to Z, which would be the ultimate desired result. So A, they're not making money. Z, they're making money. But there's also steps in between that you have to take in order to get somebody from A to Z. This should strategically be created so that your customer will buy everything you offer from start to finish. So every single offer in your product suite, let's go back here. Every single offer in the product suite needs to solve one single problem that they have. So what do I sell as an entry offer? The entry product is the first step in the program suite. Think of this product that is for absolutely beginners in your niche. What do they need to get started? So for an absolute beginner in your niche, what do they need to get started? Example for blogging, they need to get their blog off the ground. So a blog off the ground program could be my entry. However, my clients may not be ready to invest in such a high ticket program. So that is why I have a quick solution strategy session as my entry. It's a product that helps them with their very first beginning step or their dire need. Like, what do they need from you right now that is not priced very high? So 3 questions to ask yourself. What transformation are you trying to get your customer and clients? What format would be most helpful for your customers and clients? Digital products aren't always the things that people need these days, like a form of an ebook. Okay, so sometimes people aren't buying ebooks these days. They like education through courses and videos. So maybe you could have a masterclass as your entry. Maybe you could have a strategy session as your entry, or something else that like other than an ebook. Ebooks are great, but they're not going to be doing well, I've seen in the industry these days, because people like videos. So what things could you add to the price of it? What things could you add to up the price of your product so you can also upsell your low ticket offer? So you know how we have the entry ticket, we have the low ticket, we have the mid ticket, and so on. So you could actually upsell them the low ticket offer so they get both of your entry and low ticket offer together. And yeah, you can upsell them like different programs. Or if they're going to be buying your low ticket, you can upsell the mid ticket offer. So if your customer or client had one wish to use related to the transformation the entry product gives them, what would they wish? This comes down to market research. What did they answer? What was their ultimate goal at their current stage? So what is the ultimate goal? What is the transformation that you're trying to provide in the entry product? Let's talk about market research. Oh yes, this topic again. Something that you will do when you make any kind of move inside of your business. Before creating an offer, you need to know your ideal audience and what they struggle with, what they actually say they struggle with, and not just what you think they struggle with. This is why it's so important to do surveys and market research calls. Actually talk to people about this stuff. This is not something that you can skip. You have to do the research before you do anything in your business, okay? So it's not just what you think they may be struggling with, it's what you know that they're struggling with because you're going out and you're talking to people and you're doing the research. So you also have to know their biggest desire and their ultimate goal because we don't sell products, okay? We don't sell to people on how they will get there. We sell them the destination. We sell them make money blogging. We sell them their ultimate goal. We sell them their biggest desire. We don't sell them how they're going to get there. We sell them the ultimate destination. You know, we're not selling people the airplane ride. We're selling them the vacation. Does that make sense? So generating ideas for your products. So once you have done a lot of market research on what they struggle with, now we can go ahead and generate ideas for each part of your product suite. So you want to brain dump as many ideas that you can come up with for your entry, low, mid, high, and anchor, or however your product suite may want to look, because you know you may want to have an entry, you may want to have a mid, and you may want to have a high. Maybe you want to have a low, mid, and high. Maybe you want to have a low, mid, and anchor. It doesn't matter. However you want your product suite to look like, as long as it just takes somebody from A to Z. Bad ideas count here. Just put every idea that you have on a piece of paper, whatever. Actually, I'm going to put this in the workbook. So ebooks, courses, programs like this one, coaching, 60-minute calls, VIP days, templates, or anything else that you want to sell to your audience, but make sure that you're keeping in mind how is the best way that you can deliver this thing to somebody. For education, I find that videos, like anything with videos or coaching, that's where it is these days. So think about that. Let's go to the next. Okay, so final thoughts. Create a journey that your customer or client can go through and purchase everything that you have to offer from start to finish. Do the market research on what things that they struggle with and what their ultimate goal and desire is. So you should already know this, but do even more. Generate a huge list of product ideas for each step in your product suite.